Hi, my name is Amish Shakib. Today I'm going to show you how I've done my line crossing. So as you can see, my screen is popping up line crossing as the detection goes over. So if I go to log view and I go to unusual event and I search for camera 1, which has the line cross, it's gonna show me all the events. So if I go to 10 o'clock, yeah, my event is set both a person and car. So as you can see, that's the trash pickup across the line, and this one it's the same car. So let's go to 1157 and see what crossed it. There you go, a person, two people. Let's go to right now at 324. All right, as you can see, car crossed the line. So how I did this, it's basically I made sure that all my events are running. Then I went to here and I went to my camera 1, and what I did is I selected this little event, and then so basically if I delete this one right now and show you how I added, let's delete that. When I select a camera line cross and I click OK, and I leave all this event at default, or you can say automatically cancel when event disappears, or just leave the setting the same. Then in here, I selected an option on screen display. That's the default option selected when you select this, but you can also do all these other features. Send an image to the snapshot to the FTP. So if I double click this one, a default, it will just display this information of the camera, but I click custom and I put uh, line cross detected. Then I selected a color on the edge, so I put blue. I'm gonna click OK, and I'm gonna click OK. All right. So basically, after that, what I have to do was minimize this. I go to the camera directly. What I did in there is just to receive a signal. So you first have to set up the camera to send the signal. So we're gonna go to intelligence. Let me pause the video and install the plugin. So I've installed the plugin and refresh the page. We're gonna go to configure. We're gonna go to intelligence analysis. We're gonna go to a single fence. As you can see, my single fence is set up. All I did was I dragged a line, and also I select a bidirectional. You can't see it here, but if I move it forward, you can put another one there, multi-directional. So basically, the green light has to be parallel to the location, or so my camera is facing straight, so anything that I draw, in the middle vertically, the green light will be diagonal to point where the person will be going. That's very important. For example, if you draw something like this, naturally a person normally will not come because there's no door at the bottom of this camera, so they will not go that way. But naturally, yeah, the fence has to face where the person will be going. So the arrow is very important. So that's what I did, and I saved. One couple of more things. You have to enable set limit target type, the minimum of centimeter. This is very important. If the number is too low, for example, then it will keep going off when a shadow or something like that change. So just do the math of the width of basically the square foot of a person, and then put the maximum of the size of the like a car or something like that to get a good vibe. So last thing is you need to select all to create a 24 hours, and then we're gonna save, and that's it. And right away, your system will start receiving a line detection, and it's gonna let you know. uh, let's go back and check a couple of more videos just to see what we picked up. So there you go. We're gonna go to unusual activity, we're gonna select the camera, and then we're gonna search. So this is The one I watched when the car was backing out. Let's go to the one before that, 115, and let's see what happened. There you go. The one before that. Another car. 1157. 1236. And it always gives you a video, so you can save it directly. So if I click here, I can export this video, AVI, and put the folder I want to expand it to. Let's say document here. I'm gonna put video, and that's it. The time, export with audio, zip file, put a password, all that, and that's it. The file is gonna be exported. Another thing, so we have to wait for the video to finish backing up. Alright, the video backed up, and I can take a snapshot. Alright, play it. I can take a snapshot. There you go. I can save it with the OSD information, or I can take the OSD off, and then just take a picture and save it. Thanks for watching this video. For more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.